Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how you can turn on or off the sounds on chess.com for both PC and mobile. So we're going to begin with PC first. So once you log into your account and you've signed in, you want to look towards your lower left corner and click on the settings or cogwheel icon here. When you click on it, you're going to see this pop up. Click on all settings first. So you'll be brought to the settings page. As you can see here, by default, you're going to be on the board and pieces option. I want you to scroll down until the very bottom you see sounds. By default, it's going to be turned on. You want to click on this, so it's going to be ticked off. And as you can see, if you see the check mark, it means that sounds has been turned off successfully. Likewise, if you click on it again, it's going to be turned on. So that is for PC. Now we go to mobile. So with mobile, you want to click on the more options on the lower right corner of your screen, 3 lines, and click on it like so. It's going to bring you to this profile option here. Tap on settings like so. And here you want to click on board or tap on board. There you go. At the very top of the option, it says sound. So just tap on it to turn it off. Once it's grayed out, it means that it is turned off. So that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.